Hey guys, Turtle Plays here, back for another video. Today, I'm going to be doing the Stormtrooper after a few requests, because I have had it for a while, but it sounded absolutely horrible. It sounded like you're trying to talk into a tin can, and then there was this weird ringing that came every once in a while. So, I tweaked it a bit, made it better, in my opinion at least. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, let's get right into it. Alright. So, the things you're going to need for this one is resonator, distortion, pitch, high pass, and stereo. And for resonator, you'll need 42, 0, 11, 11, and 47. For distortion, you'll need mix, 35, drive, 47, volume, 52. For pitch, you'll need mix of 100 and pitch of 46. For high pass, you'll need a mix of 100 and a frequency of 80. And finally for stereo, 100%. All stereo. Once you have all that stuff, you can tweak it, make it sound better. If you think it sounds better, go for it. You want to tweak pitch, make it deeper, higher voice, go for it. You want more of a distortion, you want your voice more robotic, I guess. You can change some of this stuff around. You want it louder, you can change it. You want voice being whole voice louder, you can change it with the slider over here. And yeah, you can do anything you want, make it your own. Here, I'll make you with a demonstration of the voice. Just 1 second.
The start plans are not in the main computer. There's one, set for stun. The tracks go off in this direction. Look, sir, droids. These aren't the droids we're looking for. Stop that ship. Blast them. Close the blast doors. Don't move. He's blind. Is he deaf? I'll remove these restraints and leave the cell with the door open.
Well, that's what I got for the Stormtrooper. I think it's decent. Definitely could be better, but you know, that's what I got. I'll just give it a name, V2. If you want, you can get a photo for it. You don't have to though. And yeah, there you go. That's how to make a Stormtrooper's voice in VoiceMod Pro. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, good. Put a comment down if you did like it. If you didn't, put a comment. You know, always good for feedback. And have a great rest of your day, night, afternoon, wherever it is for you. Goodbye.